Hey guys, back with another video today. Not a tractor video yet. Sorry about that. I've been super busy with work and family life, all that sort of stuff. But another tractor video is coming up, and it should be finished shortly. I've also been waiting on some parts. What we're actually doing today is we are heading to the 2022 PineTree Jamboree in Winterport, Maine. It's a celebration of Flathead engines. I think it ought to be pretty neat. Be a bunch of racing and all that stuff going on down there. We'll get to see some really cool cars. So I'm going to take you guys along with me, and we'll see some really cool cars. Oh, that sounds good.
Buddy. racing team. Love it.
Yeah, it's a sharp old rig.
Look at the way he done the chassis, did all the holes through the frame.
Dad Chad car. So you said he bought this in 41?
41, yes sir.
And you guys have had it ever since. So
Ever
this
since,
is
it
your
stayed right in the family.
grandfather's car?
My great-grandfather's first car.
Good deal.
Yeah.
And the other one over there you got for free, right?
Yes. Yeah, that's one.
Not
that
too
Glenn
bad for
Showers
free.
Just picked up for free. Yeah. Came out of Idaho.
He bought up in Holton.
Nice.
That's right.
In his garage.
All original in here when he got the car. A little bit of custom modification in there. Old Bangor, Maine flag. Nice car.
Yeah, she got a little chat over it.
Did you?
But yeah, wouldn't that be cool if Chad would, huh? Take a ride.
Oh my word! If you can get Chad to take a ride in this fucking
We'll just
thing,
have to stop by with it, Earl, just so he can. Because I pointed it out, and he's like, "That's really cool," you know. Grandfather's car.
He said, you know, who would think to keep a car
Who
that
would
long?
keep their freaking vehicle in the family that long?
Old 32.
Yeah, she is a little chattery in the clutch,
Yeah.
Yeah,
but
yeah, yeah. They're gonna get her fired up. We'll just
Yeah.
have stock, you know, just to be annoying. Huh?
look at that beast. Queen Jolene.
Oh, I love the way that rattles on there.
Right.
Heading down to check out the drag racing now. Go see some of these old flatheads flying down the strip.
Yeah, no doubt, man, no doubt. See how they run.
Yep.
48. What year is this one? 40.
A 40. Holy smokes. Wow.
This one was all built up in the 70s out of parts. Me and my dad scrounged all over New England.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah, that is
down in New Hampshire.
impressive.
61 at 44 miles an hour there. Yeah, big 12, 11, 53 miles an hour for Peter Fjord.
I know you're not. Richest guy. No, I'm not a money.
Alright guys, heading back. I hope you guys enjoyed it. A little taste of what we're about up here in Maine. Got to see some cool cars, got to see some racing. I enjoyed it. Hope you guys did too. See you on the next one.